This is the best breakfast para paliitin ang inyong waistline. Like this! No calorie counting, no extreme diet, no exercise. At sa mga food lover na bestie ko, this is no food restriction. Kapag gumigising tayo tuwing umaga, our insulin levels are low. Meron kang dalawang choices. Pwede kang kumain at hindi kumain. Kapag kumain ka, it will spike your blood glucose, which also spike your insulin. At ito ang nagkakos sa body mapunta sa fat storage mode. Pero if you don't eat, you'll keep your insulin steady. Kapag mataas ang insulin mo, ang body mo nasa fat storage. At kapag naman ang insulin mo ay mababa, ang body mo ay nasa fat burning. Ito ang dahilan kaya naman bakit sobrang importante ng fasting. Mas bumababa ang blood sugar at insulin mo and your body starts to burn fats at the 16 to 18 hours mark. Kaya naman, I believe it's not just about what we eat. It's about when you eat. I already helped thousands of men and women para makapag-lose ng weight at maging healthy. And if you want to be one of them, comment specialty para malaman mo kung ano yung tinitake ko na nakatulong sa akin para mas mapadali ang fasting at nakatulong makapagpa-lose ng 10 kilos in just 5 months.